Now we'll make these edges. Okay, this is wrapped. Okay, now we draw this pattern Monty, and then we'll make mirror three sides. Okay, now we'll make this wrapped type. Okay, okay, for this. Okay, just make one more. uh, okay. Hmm. Rupees 30 among will make just 32, little bit bigger. Okay. I make 35 among. Let's go sideways. See how it's over here. Okay. Just check how it's look. Yeah, okay, it's fine. For this, okay, okay. So like this and this. Just delete this one and make center line and drawing create form. Okay. See in realistic mode. Okay. And this here we don't want here. Okay. Let's we make this here only. Just get back, delete this and select this only. Okay. Fine. If you have to put material, this will show here. It's look better than before. Okay. Let's see. This will put something for this looping purpose. Just go for auto distance. Okay. This just for look. Okay. And then we will put some materials and it's different material. Okay. Like this, it will look fine. Okay. Now Same way. If you want to hide the edges, hide this edges, make a break. See, me just put one, okay, and then okay. Which is if you want, make like this. Okay, see how it's slow. Yeah, okay. Now it's time to close this. Now check mirror. Delete this. Just open edit template. Do this here. Okay, just select this only. Don't select this. Okay, same thing. Select everyone. Just go for rotate, copy, place like this and this. Same. Rotate, copy, place. Okay, see how it's slope. Okay, see this edges like this. See, okay. Now we will make, yeah, this is another material like fiber or something plastic, like this material here for fitness. Just make this now, and then we will make this is already did just will make this row. Okay, see, this is above level and center is little bit lower. Okay, that's why we will make like this. Okay, and now how to make this. Okay, go. Okay, just I'll make on triangular. Yeah. Okay, just like some shape. It's depend custom made whatever if you want. Make like this shape. Okay, I'll make this rope each. Okay. Oh, no. Select this. Create form. I think some problem when we select that. Try now. See. we analyze the problem. Okay, fine. Okay, now you understand the what is the problem making object. Okay, some areas didn't. Okay, some area you have problem. Okay, it's depend view. Okay, now reset. Okay, fine. See how it's slow. Same way we have to make like this type with okay. Now I'll go side plan. I'll make column just like go and edit place. Okay, this I'll make level 1 column bottom. Okay, one here, one, one. Let's go view. Now we'll select this and this through point. This is post. Okay, same way we'll make post. I'll draw. Okay, I'll make 6 in post. Let's select this and this. We make point. I'll make point more elements point and then say C. Three inches, total 6 inches. Let's try this. Okay, fine, same thing. Now column, steel column is ready. Same way we have to okay. Let's make rotate, copy, place. Same thing, center here, rotate. Okay, fine. Now our widget is ready. Okay. Okay. See how it's look. Okay. In material, you will change this rope like rope material like this fabric. So look like this. Okay. So it's fine. Okay, viewers. We will see in this modeling. Okay, bye.